Why my Samsung AC shows 1 when turning off, full fix guide. A Samsung AC showing 1 when turning off can mean that the auto clean function is running, a communication check is in progress, e.g., scanning 1, or it's an error code for a faulty indoor thermistor sensor. The most likely scenarios are either the auto clean feature activating to dry the unit or a system self-check, but it is crucial to distinguish between normal operation and a potential fault. Normal operation. Auto clean function. After you turn the AC off, the 1 could indicate the auto clean function is running, which uses the fan to dry the inside of the unit and prevent mold. The display will show the progress, e.g., 1% to 99%, before it shuts down completely after 10 to 30 minutes. Communication check. For some models, scanning 1 is a normal part of the startup or shutdown process that confirms the indoor and outdoor units are communicating correctly. Defrost cycle. During heating, an H1 code can indicate a defrost cycle is running to clear ice from the outdoor coil. This is a normal function and not an error, but the code will be different from 1. Potential error. Indoor unit thermistor error. A 1 could be an error code for a faulty indoor unit thermistor sensor. Other possibilities. Some models may show error codes that start with a number, like 01, which could indicate a communication issue or a sensor problem. How to troubleshoot. Confirm it's not normal. If the AC shuts down completely after a short time, it is likely running its auto clean or communication check. Check the user manual. Consult your specific model's manual to confirm the meaning of the code. 1. When the AC is turning off. Use the remote. You may be able to turn the auto clean function on or off using the remote control. Check the manual for specific instructions. Reset the unit. Turn off the power to the AC from the circuit breaker for a few minutes, then turn it back on. This can sometimes clear temporary glitches. Contact a professional. If the 1 appears as a persistent error code and the unit does not turn off normally, there may be a faulty sensor or a more significant problem. It is best to contact a Samsung service center for diagnosis and repair.